So next question of today's paper is question number 138. Biodegradable polymer which can be produced from glycine and aminocaproic acid is. The first option is nylon 66, second option nylon 2, nylon 6, third option PHBV and fourth option is Bona N. Students, as we know, polymers दो तरह के होते हैं. One is synthesized and other is natural polymer. Natural polymers are always biodegradable polymer, and synthetic polymers, in most of the cases, they are non-biodegradable polymers. But some of the biodegradable polymers are also synthesized in the laboratory, and two common examples are PHBV and nylon 2, nylon 6. But in this question, it has been asked which of the biodegradable polymer is obtained from glycine and aminocaproic acid. ग्लाइसिन एंड एमिनोकैप्रोइक एसिड से जो बायोडिग्रेडेबल पॉलीमर बनाया गया, दैट इज नायलॉन 2, नायलॉन 6. सो ऑप्शन 2 इज करेक्ट ऑप्शन. So second option is correct option. So moving to the next question, question number 139. Consider the following compounds. Structures are given. Hyperconjugation occurs in. The first option is 1 and 2, second option is 1 only, third option 2 only, fourth option 3 only. Now in this question हमें ये बताना है कि किस कंपाउंड में हाइपर कॉन्जुगेशन की पॉसिबिलिटी एग्जिस्ट करती है. हाइपर कॉन्जुगेशन, it means involvement of sigma bond pair of alpha hydrogen atom in the conjugation. So let us see the structure in which compound, in which free radical alpha hydrogen atom is present. See, this carbon atom is free radical carbon atom, or electron is present but there is no alpha hydrogen atom. So this free radical cannot exhibit hyperconjugation. In this second structure, odd electron is present at this carbon atom and these three rings are benzene ring. So again there is lack of alpha hydrogen atom, no possibility of hyperconjugation. The third structure, odd electron is present at this carbon atom. With respect to this carbon atom, these two positions will be considered as alpha position. You can say there is one alpha hydrogen atom and here also there is one alpha hydrogen atom. So alpha hydrogen atom is present in this structure. It means the only compound which is able to exhibit hyperconjugation is the third one. So correct option is fourth option, third only. Option 4 is correct. हाइपर कॉन्जुगेशन के लिए अल्फा हाइड्रोजन एटम के प्रेजेंस एसेंशियल है. सो फोर्थ ऑप्शन इज द करेक्ट ऑप्शन. मूविंग टू द नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन, क्वेश्चन नंबर 140. Which of the following species contains equal number of sigma and pi bonds? Options are given. First option CH2Cn whole twice. Second option HCO3 negative ion, third option xenon tetraoxide and fourth option is Cn whole twice. Number of sigma and pi bond चेक करने के लिए हमें इन कंपाउंड आयन के स्ट्रक्चर को ड्रॉ करना पड़ेगा. Let us see. The first option is CH2Cn whole twice. Carbon is bonded to 2 hydrogen atom and 2 cyanide groups. So this will be the structure of compound. We can see there are 1, 2, 3, 4 pi bond and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 sigma bonds are present. So this can't be the answer. Second one is bicarbonate ion. Bicarbonate ion, इसका स्ट्रक्चर हमने ड्रॉ किया. Carbon, oxygen, this O is negatively charged. We can see here there is 1 pi bond while 1, 2, 3, 4 sigma bonds are present. So this can't be the answer. The third option is xenon tetraoxide. Xenon tetraoxide is a tetrahedral compound. Xenon bonded to 4 oxygen atom, which involves 4 sigma bond and 4 pi bond. So this structure is having 4 sigma and 4 pi bonds. Equal number of sigma and pi bonds are present. So this option is the correct option. Option 3 is correct. If you want to know the structure of CN whole twice, this is C triple bond N, C triple bond N. There is 1, 2, 3 sigma bond and total 1, 2, 3, 4 pi bonds. So in this structure also equal number of sigma and pi bonds are not present. It means the option 3 is the correct option.